Okay. What is up, you guys? I am. Okay, can you hear me? Okay, testing. Hey, what is up? Um, I am doing a video how you can speed quest today. This is my ice right here. Okay, so I already know like a lot of people know how to speed quest, like mainly because in the wizard101 Discord servers, a lot of people know how to. I fairly know how to speed quest, but I looked on YouTube and there's not a lot of guides on it. So you know what? Fuck it. Since I'm streaming this game, I'm gonna fucking do a guide. Shit, you know. So yeah. So so this is my ice. This is my stacked out. He's not stacked out, but he's really good for his level. And this is my noob account. 63 fire, doesn't even have any pets or anything, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so what you want to do, step number 1, get 2 fucking accounts, dude. Like, you want to get 2 accounts. I got this other one right here. You want to get 2 accounts because you don't want to ask for help like a little bitch, you know what I mean? You don't want to keep going and just like start asking for help. Like, you want to be a big boy, you know. Plus it's faster, you know. You don't want to lose that time. Okay. Step number 2, once you get 2 accounts, you want to get cheat engine. Cheat engine, I'll tell you like a brief guide. So you just click on wizard101. These are 2-year accounts, so just test it. So this one, and then you put enable speed hack. I like to put, let me see here, because put enable speed hack. Click edit, go settings, type in hotkeys. You want hotkeys. You want to put 1.5, 2.0 if you want to go a little faster, and then you want to go back to the normal speed with the third hotkey, which is 9 for me, and click OK. So look, I click 7. That's my 1.5. This is 1.5. This is 2 for 8, and then 9 normal. Boom. You want once you get into the thing, you want to click normal because well, I'll just show you for an example. I'm gonna go into a team fight and flee. So like, you want to click normal because when you click cheat engine on the in battle, I'll show you an example. You see this? Like, it's going fast. But look, you see that? It's pausing the whole fucking fight, man. Like, so, I don't know. I'm pretty sure you want to click on it normal. Let me flee here. So, especially for beginning levels, like, I'll show you an example. Let me go on this guy. He's level 14. He's in Oasis. One last tip I can give you is please get Monsters TC, dude. Monsters TC, you wanna get Monsters TC so you can like use troll, like, I don't know. I'll show you an example. You wanna kill these fuckers, dude, to the max. Like, in Oasis, it should be like way easier, especially when you have 2 accounts. I'm gonna get into something. I already have this, dude. It's like, click on normal speed because, you know. Look how much bloodbat does. 245. Automatically kills that one person with a 1 pip spell. Yeah, look at this. Hopefully I don't fizzle my tizzle. Look, you see this? Bada bang, bada boom. 300 freaking damage with a 1 pip spell. You see, look, even with troll, dude, look how much it'll do. 423. Boom. Well, yeah, okay, so I mean, I'm pretty much done with all the tips uh of speed questing. Like I said, just get cheat engine, get 2 accounts, monstrous TC if you're low level, boom, you're done. You should finish worlds within like matter of seconds. And honestly, if you guys want, here's my Twitch. I'm trying to get that Twitch, bro. Trying to get that Twitch. Trying to get so I live stream. Follow my Instagram. I update my streams on there. And if you like licking ass, fucking follow my Twitch. What else can I say? All right, bye.